How are you doing this evening? Alrighty. Well, it looks like it is 8:05, so let's get started with our 2021 Topps Chrome Champions League random player to blaster box break number one. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Pablo in the top spot and Brian in the bottom spot. Alrighty. So again, we'll just cut and paste this beside our alphabetical player list. Cut and paste it over to the right and sort it by everybody's names. And then scroll through our list briefly so everybody can see who they have in the break before we open our boxes. Watching the loons. Gotcha. Well, thanks for joining us in the chat. Good to see you. I'm going to tell you all right now, a lot of these names are going to be butchered when I try to pronounce them. Goodness, Anthony, you got Jude, Mbop, and Messi. So Pablo has Erling. He got a hat trick earlier today. And Neymar. Or Neymar. Alrighty. Now that we have been through our list, let's open our boxes and see what we get. I'm going to open them both at the same time. Get the sleeves out of my way here. Hopefully we will hit something really nice out of these. Seems like there was a lot of nice stuff in the blaster boxes from what I have seen. So here's our first box of packs with our pink X-Factor pack. We'll set that at the bottom. And here's box number 2. Here's our X-Factor pack and our regular packs. Well, all righty, Anthony. Feeling lucky. Fantastic. Let's see what we get. Plea. The font on these are tiny. Then we have a Camino Color rookie. We'll set that right there. Then we have a Musiala rookie. And then we have a refractor, Gianluca Vialli. I wish they had put the team logos on the fronts of these cards. All right. So I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of rookies, a handful of refractors, and no telling what else we might pull in these boxes. Pack number 2. Ryan Gravenberch, rookie. And we have a Marcos Antonio rookie. And a Luis Henrique rookie. And then a Timo Werner Golazo insert. Let's leave these rookies real quick. So it's going to be kind of like our last soccer break, where the vast majority of the cards ship because there's so many rookies and parallels and inserts. Definitely not a bad thing, though. Next pack. Federico Valverde. Felix. Hee-Chan Wang. And then a, not even going to try to pronounce that. Nice Future Stars insert. We'll leave it at that. Next pack. We have a Rainer Jesus rookie. Kai. Then we have a Ronaldo. And then we have a, is it green or aqua? I believe this is an aqua refractor rookie of Conrad de la Fuente. Let's see if it's serial numbered. It is. 172 out of 199. Tiny gold foil stamped serial numbering. How about that? Not too shabby out of a blaster. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Of course, I'll ship the Ronaldo base because it's Ronaldo. Next pack. Killian. Noah Lang, rookie. And then Amadou Hadera, rookie. And then we have a Eric Garcia, rookie refractor. So I definitely understand now why it's so difficult to find blasters. These go for like 75 bucks a box now. Of course, the hobbies are around 350. But even with the blasters, you get lots of refractors and a ton of rookie card content. Makes a lot of sense. Sterling, Jeremy Doku rookie for Doku, Mason Mount, and Sergey Gnabry. All right, this is our last regular pack from Blaster number 1. So we have Andre Onana, Yasser Laruco, rookie, and Alejandro Marquez, rookie, and then a Sancho insert. All right. So now we will open our pink X-Factor pack. And our first card is a Tadine Mingi rookie for Man U. And then we have a Charles Del Kettelari. And then we have a Brandon Williams rookie. I believe that's Man U as well. There's like a handful of kits that I actually recognize. Obviously, Man U's one of them. I'll have to learn up on that. Luckily, I've got 2 more blaster boxes. So at some point, we'll probably break them, even though it will be a little bit of an uphill climb to sell all the spots. That's all right. I'm kind of what they would say, I guess you could say I'm pot committed at this point. All right, on to blaster box number 2. Giovanni. Dominic Slow. Whoa, I can't pronounce that. And then we have a Jean-Claude Ntenda rookie. And we have a Mason Mount refractor. Got a little scuff right there. And I thought it was print dust, but it's not. Right there by the, you can see that on the card, unfortunately. I was hoping that was just print dust, but that is a scuff of some sort on the surface. Darn it. I have to say these cards feel a little different than your Garden Variety Chrome cards. All right, next pack. Then we have a Conrad De La Fuente rookie, Sergio Ramos, Malcolm, and Virgil van Dijk. Next pack. Then we have a Jurriën Timber rookie, Danilo Pereira, Lewandowski, and Trent Alexander-Arnold for Liverpool. Next pack. Fati. Then we have a Eric Garcia rookie for Man City. And then we have an Eduardo Mendy rookie. and a Marley Rocky rookie. Next pack. Oh shoot. That did not turn out well. We have a Ryan Gravenberch rookie. I believe that's our second one. And then Donnie Van de Beek. And then Florian Newhouse. And then we have an Eduardo Camavinga rookie refractor. I need to get out some more sleeves. Alrighty, next pack. We have a Tete rookie, a Nico Williams rookie, and then an Alessandro Nopero, and then a Erling Galazzo insert for Dortmund. Last regular pack. A Reimer Jesus rookie, a Malong Sarr rookie, Emil Forsberg, and a Malik Tillman rookie. Forgot to sleeve the rookies from the last pack. So we're done through our regular packs in box number 2, and we are down to our special pack of pink X-Fractors. We have, oh, how about that? Little Erling, not too shabby. And then Phil Foden. And then a Fati, Ansu Fati. Not too bad there. It's a pretty nice pack of pinks. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. Let me pull that up. I guess that would help. There we go. Okay. Let's see. We'll go through all the rookie cards first because there's a ton of them. Okay. First one is Tet. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. Next is Nico Williams. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next is Reiner Jesus. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. And then next is Malang Sarrar. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And the next is Malik Tillman. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats. And then next is Ryan Gravenberch. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then next is Eric Garcia. And I think we pulled two of those actually. And both of those go to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then next is Edward Mindy. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that. And then next is Marley Ake. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then next is Jurian Timber. And that goes to Pablo as well. Building up a big stack. And the next is Conrad de la Fuente. And that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And the next is John Claude Ntinda. Going to Pablo. Building the stack. Congrats on that. And next is Yasir LaRoque. Might be a little off on that last name. That goes to Pablo. And then next is Alejandro Marquez. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that. And then next is Jeremy Doku. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats. And the next is, pardon me, next is Noah Lang. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that. And the next is Amadou Haidiara. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that. And the next is Ronaldo. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats. And then next is Marcos Antonio. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then next is Luis Enrique. And that goes to Pablo as well. Building a huge stack. And the next is K.O.M. Keller. And that goes to Pablo as well. Congrats on that. And then our last base rookie card is Jamal Musala. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. So then next, we'll go through our inserts. First is our Erling Galazzo, and we also pulled a pink X-Fractor of him as well, and both of those go to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then next is our Trent Alexander-Arnold Future Stars insert, and that goes to Pablo as well. Congrats on that. And then next is our Jadon Sancho insert, and that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then next is our DeJohn Future Stars insert. I think these are both the same guy. Uh-oh. Yikes. It goes to Pablo because of the spelling. And the next is our Timo Werner Galazzo insert. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that. Alrighty, so next we have all of our refractor parallels. So let's see here. We have the 6 pink X-Fractors. And then we have 4 regular refractors. And then we have our aqua refractor. So we'll go through our regular refractors first. And our first one is Eduardo Camavinga. I think we also had his rookie card in here. No, we didn't. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then next is Mason Mount. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then our next refractor is Eric Garcia. And that goes to Pablo. I think we also hit his rookie card. And then next is Gianluca Vialli. And that goes to Pablo as well. All right, and then we have our Aqua refractor, serial number to 199 of Conrad de la Fuente. And that goes to Jim T. Congrats on that, Jim. Also got his rookie card. So next we'll go to our pink X-Fractors, and our first one is Phil Foden. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then our next one is Ansu Fati, who seems to be pretty darn popular. And that goes to Pablo as well. And then our next pink wave refractor, pink X-Fractor, is Brandon Williams. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then next is Charles de Ketelaere. That's kind of tough to pronounce. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then our last pink X-Fractor is Tayden Mingy. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. Well, alrighty. Whew, that was a lot of opening. That's a lot of cards to go through. That's fun. So, yeah, that concludes our 2021 Topps Chrome Champions League Soccer Random Player 2 Blaster Box Break number 1. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. As always, I appreciate you all supporting our breaks and sometimes my crazy ideas. Thanks to those of you that joined us in a live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes with our 2021 Prism Draft Football Random Player 1 Mega Box Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody. Good gracious, that was a lot of cards. That's my break, though. I definitely understand the appeal of that now. I knew there was rookie card content. I didn't realize there was that much rookie card content. So, as much as it pains me sometimes to not be able to sell out a break,